Yeah. Today we are going to discussing RRB officer scale 1 prelims quantitative aptitude grand test 44. Now we are going to discussing the questions. So look at the first question. Here first one they are given a 41 to 45 directions based on the line graph. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday 5 days values they are given. Based on that we should calculate. Look at the first question directly. Here the number of boys and number of girls visiting a place from Monday to Friday given in the graph. Then here the values, boys value is blue color and girls value they are given so orange color. That's we should remember it and calculate the question. Find the ratio of total number of boys visited place on Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday and Friday boys value, then Wednesday value is 350, Friday value is 400, it is a 750. And next here together the total number of girls visited the place Monday and Thursday. Monday and Thursday girls value 390 plus 200, it is a 300, it is a value 690, and both will be cancelled with 3, you will get a ratio 25:23. Our option is first option A. And move for the next question for the same data. Total number of boys and girls together visited the place on Tuesday are what percentage more or less than the total number of boys and girls together visited place on Thursday. And total number of boys and girls together visited on Tuesday. Tuesday total value is 900. And what percentage more or less than the total number of boys and girls together visited on Thursday? Thursday value is 500. 900 is more than 500. How much more? 400 more. Out of 500, 400 value is how much percentage? 80 percentage. Next, question number 43. Here the question is find the difference the total number of girls visited. Girls visited on Monday to Wednesday. Girls visited on Monday to Wednesday means here 390, 300 and 550. It is equal to 1240. And next the total number of boys visited from Wednesday to Friday. Wednesday to Friday here 350, 200 and 400. It is equal to 950. So 1240 to 950 difference is 290. Our option is E. Next one, question number 44. If on Sunday the number of boys and girls increased 21.5 percentage and 16.2/3 percentage, this 16.2/3 percentage we can write 1/6 respectively as compared to that on Thursday, then Thursday value is required 200 in 200. 21.5 percentage increased, 21.5 double 43, that means boys increased by 43 and girls increased 1/6 part of the 300. 1/6 of the 300 value 50 and 43 plus 50 extra 93. This 93 on Sunday is placed, 93 is placed comparing to Thursday extra, then it is a total value 500 plus 93. Our option is 593. Then next question, look at the 45th question. Total number of boys and girls visited the place on Wednesday and Friday together. So Wednesday, Friday total value is required. It is a 350 plus 550 900 and 400 plus 310 710. 700 plus 10 to 900. It is a value 1610. And next is how much more than the total number of boys and girls visited Monday and Thursday. Monday it is 450 plus 390. It is a 840. And Thursday value 500, it is a overall value 1340. 1610 to 1340 difference is 270. Our option is D. And let's go for the next one. Look at the 46th question. Aman starts from point A to B. Akash starts from point B to A. Both are in opposite direction. Aman moving 8 hours after Akash but reaches point B at the same time as. That means Akash taken 10 hours. 10 hours means Aman taken just 2 hours because he is started after the 8 hours. Point A. If they both start their journey at the same, then they will meet after how many hours? 16/3 hours. In how much time Aman will cover the distance? That is a question. Then going for the equation bit is a lengthy. Go for the option. I'm silly. Go for the first option A. Here 6 hours. Aman will take 6 hours. Then Akash will take 6 plus 8, 14 hours. Then I will take total distance, assume it 42. 14,6 LCM is 42. And 42 kilometers 6 hours means it is a 7 kmph. And 42 by 4 means it is a 3 kmph. 42 by the total distance is covered them going to meet, both are in opposite direction, it is a 10 kmph, 7 plus 3. It is not equal to 16 by 3 hours. That means our first option is wrong. Go for the second option. And second option is, it is the first person is 8 hours means second person is 16 hours. And we'll take a easy number. I'm taking a 64. 64 is divisible by 8 and 6 completely. And 64 kilometers 8 hours means it is a 8 kmph and it is 4 kmph. Then both are crossing a in how many hours? That is we can read. Then 64 by this the speed is 8, this the speed is 4, it is a 12 kmph. It is equal to 16 by 3. When you are solving with 4 divisible and it is equal to 16 by 3 as per the condition, then which option is correct? Second option B is the correct. And move for the next one. Here A is 20% efficient than B. B alone can do a piece of work in 30 days. A is 20% more efficient. That means A efficiency is 6 and B efficiency is 5. And B can complete a work in 30 days. That means 5 into 30. Total 150 units are there. Then how many days A and B together? A and B together means it is 11. 6 plus 5, 11. 550 by 11 means 11. 13s are 143. Extra 7. That means option is 13, 7 by 11 days. Then move for the next question. Here P and Q are entered a partnership. P contributes 1/3 of the capital while Q contributes as much as P and R together. If the total profit 84,000, then how much profit would be received? Then P and Q and R. P can, for example, total investment is 6. Then P investment is 2 because 1/3 of 6 is 2. Then Q will be as much as adding by P and R. That means it is 1, it is 3. 2 is to 3 is to 1. Total parts are 6 parts. The ratio investment ratio 2 is to 3 is to 1. Then we have to distribute and we need the whose part? R part. R part is how many parts? 1. 1 by 6th of 84,000. 1 by 6th of 84,000 means it is a 14,000. Our option is E. Next question. A fisherman can swim still water at a speed of 5 km per hour. He can twice upstream speed is he's taken a 2 hours comparing to boat speed, boat time. Boat time is 1 hour and upstream is 2 hours. 2 is to 1. This is we can write 1 is to 2. Boat speed is 2 parts. Upstream speed is 1 part means then current speed is 1 part. 2 parts is equal to 5 km per hour. Then 1 part is equal to 2.5 km per hour. Our option is A. Next question. A container contains 30 liters milk and 15 liters water. The ratio is becoming 2 is to 1. Is a mixed and 12 liter mixture is taken out. Then 30 liters and 15 liters means total is 45 liters. Out of 45 liters, 12 liters will be gone means remaining is 33 liters. This 33 liters we have to ratio wise we have to separate it. 2 parts and 1 part. Total is 3 parts. 3 parts is equal 33 means this is 22 liters is belongs to milk and 11 liters is belongs to water. And now 12 liters water is mixed up. 12 liters water is extra mixed up. It is becoming 23 and we are not mixing any milk. It is a 22. Our ratio is milk to water is 22 is to 23. There is no option. Our option is none of this. Next question. Here ratio present of Alka and Chandni is 15 is to 7. After 6 years, Alka age will be twice of Chandni age, 2 is to 1. Then find the difference of the percentages. This is the 6 years after. But observe the difference is not same. 15 to 7 difference is 8. 8 can be multiplied to 2 is to 1. It is becoming 16 and it is becoming 8. It is a 16 and 8. Here the one part, here the one part. One part is equal to how many hours? Years after? 6 years after. One part is equal 6 years. Then we need difference between the two candidates. Whatever the age is, the difference is never changed. It is a 8 part. 8 6 are 48 years difference between a two candidates. Then our option is D. And moving for the next question. 52. Oliva inverts an amount two different schemes. Scheme A offers 8% simple interest and 20% bonus on the total interest. Total interest how many years? 5 years. Scheme B offers 9% simple interest for the same time. The ratio of the investment in scheme A to scheme B is 5 is to 4. If the amount invested in scheme A is 20,000, what is the total interest received from the both the scheme? End of how many years? 5 years. A scheme is 5 years means B scheme is also 5 years. 5 years, how much rate of interest? 8% rate of interest. 5 years 8% rate of interest means 40% A interest is So A investment is 20,000. 4 twos are 8,000. This is the interest from A scheme. But here is a 20% bonus. 20% of 8,000 value is 1600 bonus. And next, B investment is 5:4. This A investment is 5 parts, means B investment is 4 parts. 5 parts is equal to 20,000, means 4 parts is equal to 16,000. On 16,000, we are implementing 45%. 9% rate of interest 5 years. 45% is 9 is just 72. That means their interest is 7,200. 8,000 and 7,000, 15,000 plus 1,000 is 16,000. 16,000 plus extra 200. It is our option is 16,800 with adding the 600 extra. Then go for the next. Here we have a directions based on the pie chart 53 to 57. Pie chart depicting number of students who took admission to different colleges, Delhi and different streams. Given the total number of students is 26,800. They are given as such as streams: computer science, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, mechanical engineering, and civil engineering. We'll look at the questions, then we'll solve it. What is the difference in number of students? What is the number of students who took admission electrical engineering? Electrical engineering means it is a yellow color, 27%, and that of electronics engineering 15%. 27% to 15% difference is 12%, and 12% total value is 26,800. This is we are going to multiplying. Then 12 8 ja 96 and 9 is there. 12 6 ja 72. 72 plus 1 81 and 8 12 2 ja 24. It is a 32. Overall value is 3,216. Our option is D. And move for the next question. So just remember the total value is 26,800. If in civil engineering 1/4 of the students, 1/4 of the civil engineering means 30%. 1/4 of the 30% of 26,800 are females. So cancel with 4, percentage wise 2 zeros cancel. 4 how many times? 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, and 67 3 are 67 3 means. So here the value is 3 6 are 18, 3 7 are 21. Here the value is 2010. Our option is D. Next, 75% of from electrical engineering participated in a survey for quality assessment of project. How many students from electrical engineering did not? Did not means 75% participated, means 25% is not participated. We need did not. 1/4 which is equal to 25%, and they are asking for electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is 27%. 1/4 of 25% of 26800, and 4 2 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28, and percentage wise 2 zeros going to cancel. 27 into 67, 7 into 7 49. Which option is contained last digit is a 9? That is our answer. Our option is A. Next question. What is the total number of students mechanical and electrical engineering? Mechanical engineering, so it is a mechanical engineering is 19%, and electrical engineering 27%. 27 plus 19 45%. 45% of 26,800. So 45%, sorry, 46%. 46% we can write 50% minus 4%. 50% of 26,800 13400, and 4% of 26,800 4 2s are 800, 4 6 are 24. It is a 104040. So 4 8 are 32. It is equal to 1072. So 1072 is removing from the 13,400. Our option is 1 2 3 2 8. Our option is A. Next one, if 1/5 of the students from all the streams, 1/5 of the students from all the streams, find the number of female students who got placed if number of males and females in computer science are equal. Only they are given for computer streams. Then what about the remaining female and male? Then what about the remaining streams ratio? Not mentioned. That means without mentioning the male and female, we can't find out a perfect answer. Then our answer is cannot be determined. Next, we have a directions based on the quadratic equation. Look at the questions and find out answers. Look at 27 4 it is 108. 108 we can write here 18 6 18 plus 6 is equal to 24, but we need 12. That's why we are writing here plus 18 and minus 6 and divided by 27. Then final factors are, it is become, so 18 by 27 minus and 6 by 27, and 6 15s are 90. We can write 9 into 10 and divided by 6, and here so minus 9 minus 10 here, and final factors are 9 by 6 comma 10 by 6. So look at the values and cancel the values here. 2 3s are, so 3 2s are and 3 9s are, and 9 3s are 9 2s are. Comparing to negative value, these positive values are both are bigger. Yes, and 2 by 9 and 9 by 6, which is bigger? 6 2s are 9, it is a greater, and here is also 6 2s are 12 and 9, it is a greater. Then our option is x less than y, x less than y. So y greater than x. Our option is B. Go for the next question. 3x square plus 47x plus 70 is equal 0. Here is 70. It is, we can write 210. This is also we can write 42 5s are and divided by 3. Our final factors are minus 42 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3. And 635s are, 630s are 180, 6 5s are 210, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 180, 210. 210 we can write 21 into 10, and 21 minus 10 is minus 11, it is minus, we need minus, it is a plus, and divided by 6, and final factors are here 21 by 6 minus 10 by 6. And look at, comparing to this is a greater, and here is also greater, and minus 10 by 6 we can write 2 5s are and 2 3s are, these both are equal, and here 42 by 3 and minus 5 by 3, and here is greater. Then less than equal means x less than or equal to y, x less than or equal to y means we can write D option, y greater than or equal to x also. Next, x square minus 19x plus 88 is equal 0. This is we can write 11 8. Our factors are 11 comma 8, and here the factors are 6 comma 4, and 6 comma 4 is smaller than the 11 comma 8. Our option is x greater than y, option A. Next, here first equation is contain constant value negative, second equation contain constant value negative. Our option is relation cannot be established. Next equation is plus is always giving negative, and minus plus is always giving positive factors. Then comparing to negative, positive value is bigger than y greater than x, our option. And we have an approximation simplification 63 to 67. We should simplify 2148.99. We can write 2149 divided by 7 plus 13 into 16 minus 23. And look at here, 7 3s are and 7 7s are 307. 13 into 16, 16 3s are 48, 160. It is 16 into 10, 160, and 16 3s are 48. It is equal to 208, and 307 plus 208 515. From 515 23 will be removed. Our option is D, 492. And next, here 1127 we can write 1127 into 1373 and 160.5 percentage of 3450 plus 1250, and 165 I am taking directly. 165 to either 16 to 112, it is a how many times? 7 times. And 34 to 1373, it is a 4 times here. And remember it, percentage also there, 0 and decimal will be going to cancel. Percentage means in coming to the numerator it is becoming 2 zeros. 7 4s are 280. 2800 plus 1250, that means 1200 plus 2800, it is equal to 4000. Which is option is near to 4000? Our option is that D, 3968. Next, 1127 into 1373 divided by 16.5. Then same, it is a 7 times. 7 into 1373 we should multiply. 7 into 13 will get 91. More than, our answer is more than 91. Our option is C. And next, 12174.7 is there. We can write 175 plus 153 into 17. Then we'll multiply. 17 3s are 51, 1 and carry forward 5, and 17 15s are 255. 255 plus 5, it is 260. 2601 added to 175, then our option is more than 2700. So which is near to more than 700? Option is A. Next, 2432 plus 1587 plus 1415 divided by 1378, and calculate approximately. It is a one time, and it is also one time, and it is a two time. 2 plus 1, our option is 4. And we have a number series, finding a wrong number in the series here. So you can observe the question here. 105 to 735, it is a 7 times, and 21 to 105, it is a 5 times. And look at here, 9 times. 975, it should be 3 times, and it should be 1 time. 7 into 1, it should be 7. Then our option is, what is the wrong number? D is the wrong number. Next, 10, 17, 27, 37, 50. Here the difference is 7. Here the difference is 10. Here the difference is 10. Here the difference is 13. So here the difference is not same, like 10, 10. Here look at 7 and 13. 7 after the odd number is 9, and here the odd number is 11. Here the odd number is 13. It's suitable. Now 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 9, it's not 27. Our answer is 26. That means wrong number is what? 27. Next, question number is 70. 15, 27, 47, 77, 11 and 167, 247. Here the difference is 12. Here the difference is 20. Here the difference is 30. And here the difference is 42. But here the difference is, look at, here the 58 they are given. But look at 12, we can write 3 into 4, 4 into 5, 5 into 6, 6 into 7. Here is, so 7 into 8. 7 into 8 value 56. When we are adding to 119 to 56, it is not equal to 167. Our option is what? C. C, 167 is our wrong number. Go for the next question. 145, 144, 141 and 142. Look at 144, 144, it should be 143. That means our wrong number is C. Here 11, 20, 38, 74, 144. Here the number is, what is the number added? 9 added. Here is 18 added. Here is 36 added. Here is 72 added. So 11 plus 9, 20. 20 plus 18, 38. 38 plus 36, 74. 74 plus 72, 146. Our wrong number is 144. Option is A. Next, we have such a data to finding a questions. This data we should simplify to solving a question. So the questions are based on 73 to 77. In Vimla Public School, students can choose among 3 sports: cricket, football and hockey. Out of 1000 students, each one is required to play at least one of the 3 sports. 40 students play all the 3 sports. 380 students play only hockey. When you are observing the only numbers, the terms are only, then it's going for the, so Venn diagram. Here cricket and football, and next one is what? Hockey. And total value should be 1000. That's we have to remember. So required 40 students play all the 3 sports. 40 students play all the 3 sports, and 380 students play only hockey. 380 students will be play only hockey, and 170 students play only cricket. 170 students will play only cricket. 60 students play exactly 2 sports, hockey and cricket. Hockey and cricket 60. And next, cricket, 240 students play only football. 240 students added here. So here total value should be added, it is equal to 1000. 240, 60 plus 40, 100. 100 plus 380, 480. 480 plus 200, 680. 680 plus 40, 720. 720 plus 170, it is a 990. That means, so 890. 890 means only 110 will be S out of the box. The 110 will be, we have to adjust here. That's the value we'll consider. Here is X and here is Y. So 110 will be adjusted for the x plus y is equal to 110. And look at the question, we can't solve the x comma y without any conditions. And go for the solution. Here, what is the question? What is the number of students who play exactly 2 sports? Exactly 2 sports means these are the values. These values means x plus y plus 60. 110 plus 60, it is equal to 170. Our option is B. and go for the next question. Look at the second question. If the number of students playing hockey is 550, total this hockey is 550. They are mentioned 550. In this 550, then what is the number of students play cricket? Here is 550 means 60 plus 40, 100, 100 plus 380. It is a 480. 480, 550 difference is 70. This is the y value is 70, but x plus y value is 110. Here is a 70 will be removed. It should be equal to 40. 40 plus 170, 210, 210 plus 60 plus 40, 100, 100 plus 210, 310. Then cricket value is, what is the value? 310. Our option is D. Our option is D. Go for the next question. If the number of students playing cricket is 300, cricket value is given now. So 60 plus 40, 100, 100 plus 170, 270, 270 extra value of x value is 30. Now it is 30 and out of 110, 30 will be removed. Remaining value is what? 80. The 80 will be added here. Then what is the number of students play both football and hockey? Both football and hockey, how many members will be added? 80 plus 40. 80 plus 40. This is the 80 and this is the 40. 80 plus 40. Our option is 120. Our option is 120. The C is our answer. Go for the next question. What is the total number of students who play hockey or cricket or both? Hockey or cricket or both are required. Hockey or cricket. Look at hockey or cricket. These all the members are playing except to this football. Okay. So out of 1000, this 240 will be removing, will get a 760. Our option is A. This 760 is played by hockey or cricket or both also. 77th question. How many students play only two sports such that at least one of the two sports are football? So we should require the two sports value. In this, football is mandatory. Here the football and here the football. X plus y is equal, what is the value? 110. Our option is B. Move for the next question. Look at the average weight of 21 boys. The average weight of 21 boys is 64 kgs. If the weight of the teacher was added, then average increased by 1. That means it is a 65. The number of students also increased by 22. Here the difference is 1. Here the difference is 1. The difference here the multiply and here the difference multiply. 1 into 65, 65. 1 into 21, 21. 21 plus 65. Added means increase. Increase means added. 65 plus 21. It is a 86. Our option is A. Go for the next question. Arun lives in Karol Bagh and Babita lives in Rohini. Arun usually goes to meet Babita in Rohini. He covers the distance 3 hours 15 km per hour means total distance is 45 km. On a particular day, Babita started moving away from the Arun and simultaneously Arun started moving towards to Rohini. Both are in a same direction. It takes how many hours? 5 hours. 45 kilometers it takes 5 hours means the speed of the both in a same direction 9 kmph. Already Arun's speed we know 15. Then what is the Babita speed? Babita speed is what? 6. 15 minus 6 is equal 9. When both are in a same direction, the relative speed is minus. Then we need ratio. Arun to Babita, what is the speed ratio? 15 is to 6. Both are cancelled with 3. 3 5s are 3 2s are. Then our option is 5 is to 2. Next question. Two pipes A and B can fill a cistern in a 4 hours and 5 hours respectively. After how much time pipe B is must be closed so that the cistern will be filled in 3 hours completely. That means total time will be completely taken by 3 hours. Then first pipe is filling in 4 hours, second pipe is filling is 5 hours. First pipe is working for completely 3 hours, but second pipe is working for how many hours? That is the x value we should calculate. 3 by 4 will comes, it is a 1 by 4. The 5 will be multiplied, it is equal to 5 by 4. X is equal to 5 by 4, we can write 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is equal to how many hours? 1.25 hours.